very happy. It's a beautiful day. I'm Brian. We got James on camera. We are very excited. Our plan is to look for the boys. We check what they're doing. But for now, we're in front of this bridge. This is the Rongai Bridge. You can see. This is the after damage. After the big rain, there have been a lot of floods. The bridge can't be crossed anymore. We can't use the bridge. This the part of the bridge, the upper one, is the right there. It seems only the lions are using it now. I can see some lion footprints here. Jimmy, this part we have the Rongai River, this one that we are here with. We are here. And also we have the Talek River. They are the two big rivers we have here. You can see the land footprints there. They use this bridge to cross to the other side, which is actually very smart. These are most probably the R5, because they were not very far from here. And I think they went to the buffaloes on the other side because they were very hungry yesterday. You can see some buffaloes on the other side over the ridge.